Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about we're talking about the best bank account bonuses for the month of April 2023. This video, we're going to talk about $5,000, over $5,000 in nationwide offers where you get paid to shop, get paid to trade, and get paid for your direct deposit. Huge payouts. I'm going to show you two huge over $1,000 payments I got in the last time I made one of these videos. So lots of huge things I want to share. Lots of money to be made out there from bank account bonuses. Before we jump in, I do have a quick disclaimer. I am a customer of all the products and companies that are mentioned. I am affiliated with M1, but not with any other banks mentioned in this video. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the screenshots are from their website, and all of the information is current as the time of this recording. So, quick question: why do people get paid? I'm a high school math teacher. People don't know how to answer those questions. People get paid to solve problems. Everybody gets paid for the same reason. If you solve little problems, you make little money. If you solve bigger problems, you're going to make bigger money. Here's another question: what problems do banks have? Well, they need new customers, and they're willing to pay very nicely to get new customers. As I said, this video has over $5,000 worth of bank account bonuses. So, personally, I have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $3,000 from these bonuses and these videos in the year 2023. So if you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor and slap this video a huge thumbs up. Appreciate that. Now let's get to work. So huge shout out to a friend of the channel, Mr. Rains. Congratulations, sir, on graduating from teaching high school math. Super awesome friend for years. You've helped me out many, many times. So look forward to joining you in somewhere between 8 and 13 years or so. I still got a ways to go. So definitely a huge shout out to Mr. Rains. All right. So my favorite type of bonuses are the ones where you get paid to shop. Everybody shops. Nobody likes paying full price. One of my favorite bonuses so far this year has been extended to May 10th, 2023. Starting to think about summer. So invite friends, get $30. So basically, share your link. If you spend $20, you get $30 back. So that's a really cool thing. Here is my referral link. You can type that in. You can open up your account from there. I made a full video on this where it is more than just getting $30. They have a huge savings account bonus on top of that. So that's $280. So if you're interested in snagging $30 from shopping plus $280 for a savings bonus. So I got a link to that video up here. As I said, this has been a very profitable 2023. My goal each year is $10,000 per year. I've been doing this over 5 years now, and my goal has been 10,000. I've been able to hit that pretty easily. This year has been like ridiculous with how big these bonuses are. So I'm super excited to share opportunities to get huge payouts. Some of these are still available. The first one is definitely still available. Chase Ink Premier. It's got a $1,000 sign-up bonus. This is my favorite card for funding CDs. So I do what's called I call it the infinite loop. The first part of it is to open up CDs or savings account at credit unions primarily, and fund those with credit cards. So I get cash back on that because it goes through as a purchase. Second thing is pay off the CDs and get cash back on that. And then the third thing is collect the interest. So far I've gotten $1,250 for purchasing 10,000 CDs that pay out 4.13 interest on top of that. So new card member bonus, bam, 100,000 points. That's $1,000. You got the 2.5% cash back for anything over 5,000. So being able to find a credit union that pays that where you can fund with the credit card and you can hit over 5,000 or 5,000 plus to get the 2.5% back, that is money. So here's what that looks like here. This is as of March 31, 2023, so a couple weeks ago from time of this recording. Congratulations, we've added your $1,000 bonus to your Ink Business Premier account. So that is always a huge thing. This has become my new favorite card. My goal is to put over 200,000 into what I call the infinite loop, just recycling the same funds over and over and over and over, and running them through for anyone that have 5,000 or more in funding, running them through this card and just recycling the same funds. Um, there's multiple offerings from Chase that have huge bonuses. I made a video on this. And any of these that you're interested in, like the Chase Inc. Unlimited, I made a video on how to score over $2,300. I took my balances because I have the Ink Unlimited, the Ink Premier, the Ink Preferred, and the Ink Cash. So I have 5 of these cards right now. I got the Ink Unlimited, that's got $25,000 Chase's money, making me money in CDs. Ink Premier, this thing's getting a lot of work out. I had the Ink Preferred, that got changed over to a Ink Cash, and I had another previous Ink Unlimited that got changed over to another Ink Cash. So I got 3 Ink Cashes right now, the Ink Premier, and Ink Unlimited. So the Ink Unlimited it's got a $750 bonus. When you spend 6,000, the Ink Cash is down to $750 bonus as well. This is an ATM machine. I love this card. The Ink Preferred has a $10,000 bonus for spending 15,000, and my favorite one right now is the $1,000 bonus on spending 10,000 in your first 3 months. That's super easy. What makes this amazing is the 2.5% cash back on every purchase of 5,000 or more. So, love making money off of this. They killed their old links, so here's my new link. If you're interested in any of those Ink cards, definitely recommend using a referral link. I've been with Chase for well over like 25 years now, so you want to get in with somebody who's definitely got a long track record with them, and that is me. So you can take a screenshot of this, type it into a new tab. You can hit the QR code, or you can always email me, hey, John, hook me up with the Chase Inc. link and at churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll most definitely hook you up awful quickly. So I made a video about this. The links in this video are old, but it's the superpower of the Chase Inc. Unlimited business card I never used until now. $2,300 1-year sign-up bonus. So if you're interested in learning more about this fun game, then definitely check out this video here. The credit card referral links in the video have been retired by Chase. But in the description box in this video, there is the new link plus the ones you just saw. Also update the link in the description box for this video. Yeah, so the superpower, love that. All right, next thing is real estate. So I know this is about bank bonuses, but here's a quote by Bill Walmsley. I erroneously ascribed it to Steve Drake, which is another financial guy in the Houston area. But more millionaires have been made from real estate than all other investments, Dale Walmsley. So he's got a thing called Lifestyles Unlimited, which is definitely an interesting show. And when you hear like the real estate investment shows, you're like, man, that's a lot of work to get into it. You got to find a house, you got to put money down, you got raised interest rates, you got repairs, if you got bad tenants, you got evictions. That's kind of no fun. But have you ever wanted to invest in real estate without actually having to do all that's involved in investing in real estate, like all the stuff I just mentioned? I've done property management work for family-owned rental homes, and if you get good tenants, it's one of the most beautiful things. You keep hoping that they stay for forever, but then you got people from time to time you do need to evict, and that's not a fun thing like at all. So Groundfloor has a solution to that. You can make a lot of money with the thing called notes from them. And if you sign up using my referral link, you can, if you put in $100 to invest, that turns into $150. So that's a really cool thing. The more I see of this Groundfloor, I'm absolutely loving what they have. I definitely plan on mentioning this to everybody. It's a cool thing. I got a link to this video up here for more information about Groundfloor and how you can make a lot of money off of real estate with other people doing all the hard work, which is finding the homes and fixing and flipping and purchase and renovation, stuff like that. So definitely check out that video if that was up there. Here's the next huge one I got. March 31, cha-ching, new account bonus. This is from Capital One. I put my money in there in December. So in January, at the end of December. So January 31, I got 276 in interest. February 28, 257.28, and then right when my 90 days ended, bam, I got 285.97 in interest and the $1,000 huge bonus from Capital One. So they have extended that bonus. I made a full video on that. Capital One. Why is this monkey? There it goes. Capital One savings account bonus, $1,050. So it's $1,000 for the savings account, and if you want to use my referral link for a checking account to get snag another $50, it is a limited time nationwide offer. So you just saw from my own personal data point that they do pay out the $1,000, and they do pay it out like as soon as you meet the threshold. So that's huge. Check out that video over here if you're interested in getting more information about Capital One paying $1,000. Next one, Chime. Love Chime. They pay out awful quick. Earn $100 when you get a payroll direct deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days of opening up a Chime account. Love it. They pay super quick, and like they send emails or text messages or however you want to be contacted by them. Boom, to give you updates on where you are in snagging your $100 bonus. So, link to this offer. It's a Bitly, super easy to take a screenshot, type it into a new tab, hit the QR code, or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. Also, links in the description box down below for all these as well. Made a video about this. Chime checking account bonus, $100 sign up bonus. You don't have to ask your boss, hey, hook me up with $100. Why? Yeah, just get it from Chime. So, link to that video up here. Next one, Go2 Bank. Same type of thing. $200 direct deposit, turn it into a $300 direct deposit. Normally it's $50, but for a very limited time, they have upped their game to $100. So that's awesome. Refer a friend, we'll both get $100. This ends in June 1, 2023. Bam. They pay out ridiculously quick. Here's my referral link. If you want to screenshot that, type it into a new tab. Also have video. I don't know if I have any more of these things up here. If not, then I'll link this at the end of the video where we have the little different things you can pick on for additional videos you can check out on how to make money. M1 Finance. I am an affiliate for M1 Finance. They are offering a $100 bonus for any type of investment account. It doesn't matter what kind it is, including a Roth IRA. Nobody else offers a $100 bonus or any type of bonus for opening up a Roth IRA or any kind of investment. So the thing is, you need to put in $5,000, you get a bonus 100. So as I said, nobody else offers that. You can do an individual investment account, a joint, custodial, trust, or retirement. Either traditional Roth or self-employed IRA. So put in $5,000, snag an extra $100. I have video about this here. M1 Finance Brokerage Bonus. Been with M1 for years and years. Definitely have nothing but good things to say about M1. And I have a link to this video at the end of this video. Discover. Do not have a video about this one, but I love Discover. You can get 2 Discover cards, and here's what they have to offer. 5% cash back all year on their different categories. So January, February, March, they had grocery stores, drugstore, and select streaming services. That's gone. April, May, June, restaurants and wholesale clubs. So if you spend $1,500 in the 3 months in quarter 2, then you will get 5% cash back. That's only half of it, though. Because at the end of your first year, your 5% gets doubled and it turns to 10% cash back. So how you can say, I'm not planning on spending $1,500 between restaurants and wholesale clubs like Sam's or Costco and stuff like that. But wholesale clubs, they sell Visa gift cards and a bunch of other gift cards. You can use those to pay bills and get a 10% discount in year 1 of having a Discover It card. So definitely, there's so many different gift cards you can buy there. You can definitely get full usage of it, get 10% back on paying your bills and stuff like that. That's definitely a strategy I recommend doing. Your 5X turns to 10X in 1 year. Bam, restaurants, wholesale clubs, and then soon they're going to announce what is for quarter 3, and then eventually quarter 4. Your first full year, your first 365 days, your 5X turns to 10X. So love that about Discover card. So normally, if you sign up at discover.com, you get a 0. If you use somebody's normal referral link, you get $50 for getting approved. If you use my referral link, I got a special referral link where you get $100. So get $100 on top of, you can get $1,500 back your first year from Discover if you max out the 10X categories. So here is my referral link. We got a QR code, 100 for you, 100 for a friend. I have 5 links in total. I'm not sure how many have been used, but even if those max out, you still get the $100, even if I get nothing. So definitely take advantage of what they have to offer. You can also always hit me up, trainingadventures@gmail.com. Ask for the Discover link, and I'll definitely get that out to you awful quick. Bank account bonus central verdict. Take advantage of these limited time bonuses. Get paid to shop, trade, spend, and for your direct deposits. Why? Banks have problems. They want new customers. Take advantage of it. I'm already up to, it's going to be well over 4,700 just off bank account bonuses since the beginning of January. So this is an amazing year. So I said my goal is 10,000 per year, and at the end of each year, I always put out a end of year video where I show every single bank bonus that I take advantage of. I have one for the year 2022 where I made I don't remember how much it was, but it was well over 10,000. All right, so with that, I still do have comments off for these videos, but as I said, if you got any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, hit me up at trainingadventures@gmail.com, and I will respond to you quickly, except for Sundays, which I don't do anything channel related Sundays. All right, today's question is, how can you tell a person's character? That's kind of something that's really important to know. To me is where somebody runs to when things are difficult. If somebody runs to a bottle, they can become an alcoholic. People run to pills or drugs, they can become an addict. And addiction's never, ever a cool thing. It's just not. The safest place to go to is to run to the Lord. Some of my favorite scriptures, Psalm 61, 3-4. It says, "You are my safe refuge, a fortress where my enemies can't reach me. Let me live forever in your sanctuary, safe beneath the shelter of your wings." Psalm 91, 2. It's an amazing psalm. "This I declare about the Lord. He alone is my refuge, my place of safety. He is my God. I trust him." Psalm 18, 2. "The Lord is my rock, my fortress, my deliverer. My God is my rock in whom I take refuge, my shield, the horn of my salvation, and my stronghold." Whenever times get tough to me, I used to run to different things, but now one thing I do is that God, help me. I can't make it through this life under my own strength. And his grace always comes in clutch. So, have a link on how to follow Jesus. It's also in the description box down below if that's something you're interested in. And one thing that's huge out there, one thing that prevents people from having a close relationship to God is addictions. One of the worst ones out there is online pornography. It's just not good. Any addiction. I want to see people become spiritually free. I want to see people become financially free. I am an affiliate for Covenant Eyes. If this is something that you can benefit from, definitely recommend hitting my affiliate link in the description box down below. Hit that. You'll get your first 30 days free. See if it's something that'll benefit you and your family. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate the time. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this video with anybody who would benefit from it, and subscribe with the bell notification so you can be amongst the first to take advantage of these profitable opportunities. And with that, look forward to seeing the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.